Most important, of course, is your contact information. So your name, your address, phone number, and email address. Next, you would include a summary or objective statement, which is just a brief statement at the top of your CV that summarizes all of your skills, your qualifications, and the value that you can bring to the position that you're applying for. It would also include your education, so a list of your academic qualifications. That includes, of course, your degrees that you've earned, the institutions that you've attended, and the graduation dates. Your work experience also goes on there, the most important part. So it's a list of your professional experiences, including your job titles, the employers that you've worked for, the dates of the employments, and of course, a summary of your responsibilities and accomplishments in each of those roles. You would also include your skills, relevant skills that include both hard skills like programming languages and technical abilities, as well as soft skills like teamwork, communication, and problem solving. You would also include, of course, your awards and any honors so that any awards that you've received in your academic or professional life. Also, professional membership, so any organizations that you've been a part of, as well as volunteer or extracurricular activities. So if you've done any volunteer work at any lab or with any professor, you would include these here. And of course, anything that's relevant to the position that you're applying for. Publications, so if you have any publications that you've done, you would list them in a separate section. Include languages, of course, if you have more than your English, you would include these here as well, and a list of your references that can vouch for your qualifications and experiences.